Okay, good morning. We are here in Binmalay, Pangasinan, documenting this demo fish pond that we have here. And today is the third day of August, and we have applied already 3 times here. This is one of the farms also which was ravaged by the typhoon or the floods. No? If you can see the nets behind me over here, as per the owner of this fish pond, the flood waters reached almost as high as the posts that you see. That's the reason for the nets. So at least hindi nakawala, or the fishes weren't able to jump ship or jump to the other pond. But anyway, our objective here is to eliminate all the bad bacteria that was brought in by the floods that causes a mixed or a bad odor. So we're here now, and we're also in our third application for this fish pond wherein you have bangus. And we will be monitoring this again for the next 3 to 5 days to check out if the smell has already been taken away by our Aqualife. At the same time, we have noticed also a good number in terms of survivability. So that means we have decreased the mortality rate for the fishes here. However, due to the floods, they have not been eating properly, and we are now monitoring their progress in terms of feeding. So stand by for more updates here.
Balik po kami sa Binmalay, Pangasinan. Yung nakita niyo yung mga last na ginawa natin. So we're back with Sir Jerry. Siya ang unang-unang nag-try sa ating Aqualife para sa fishes, no? And nandito na tayo. Ito yung panibagong salang na po, no? Pero we would just like to ask kay Sir Jerry kung anong nangyari dun sa previous harvest nila, yung ginamitan natin Aqualife. Significant yon kasi yun yung time na meron tayong habagat na nagbaha, nandyan si Ompong, nandyan si Rosita, so very stressed yung mga isda, no? But despite that, balita namin medyo maganda ang results because Aqualife was present also, and of course pag-aalaga nila Sir Jerry. Yun. So tanungin ko lang si Sir Jerry. So Sir Jerry, ilan yung nalagay natin yung time na yun?
So ang na-stock po nun, sir, is 3,000.
3,000. Oh, lagay ka sir ng mortality.
Opo, na 200.
200. So 3,200.
Opo.
All in all.
Yes, sir.
Yun.
Pero dahil kasi syempre may habagat, mga bagyo, yung mga ibang isda ng mga katabing fish pond, lumipat dito.
Yun,
Kaya umabot siya ng
3,500 ang na-harvest.
Opo.
So ang tanong sir, bakit lumipat sila?
Wala silang sir, net. Parang lahat ng ang pilapil or itong mga net nila is na umapaw lang. Nalubog
So
lang.
hinanap nila yung pond natin dito.
Yes, sir.
Ayun.
Kasi naamoy nila may medyo sa ilalim niya may pagkain kakaiba.
Yun, yung tubig. Actually, guys, we were present here, no, is previous videos natin, no, during the time na pagkatapos ata yun, sir, nung baha, parang bumaho yung
Yes, sir, yung amoy ng
tubig.
Opo.
So, nag-amoy putik, na-contaminate yung water. So, we used, nagpa-treat din tayo ng Aqualife. And in about 24 hours, sir, no, medyo nag-okay na.
Yes, sir. Yes. Nag-okay na po siya kasi dati po kasi nag-air gasping siya. Parang umiibabaw silang lahat pag umaga. At then nag-request ako kay Sergeant na kinabukasan or the other day mag-apply ko ng Aqualife para yung pag nila, yung air gasping o pag-ibabaw nila sa tubig is maliso na mawala po siya. So, nung nangyari yun, naglagay po kami, nawala siya. Parang naging bumalik yung lakas nila. Parang lumakis yung mga isda. Na-energize kumbaga.
So, that's also the reason ba't nag-harvest tayo sa 3,500. Na 3,200 lang yung nag-ano, no? So, nakakatulong kaya siya rito sa inyong negosyo?
For me, oo, nakatulong siya. Lalo at sa pagdating sa pagpapakain is na bumaba yung yung bilang lang ng sako na pinakain namin sa bangus. Hindi namin na-reach yung 130 bags. So parang hanggang ano na lang kami, 100 bags. So parang nakasave kami ng 30 bags sa pagpapakain.
Okay. Tapos sabi niya sir, dati medyo natatakot, kinakabahan kayo kasi hindi na sila masyado kumakain at that time na baka maliit lang sila
Opo.
kasi medyo madilim na nun. Pero yung kwento niyo, you were able to harvest ang size nila.
Nag-size kami, halos karamihan is 2:1. So umabot siya ng 700 to 800 grams per piece. So pag ano na ang presyo nun pag bebenta mo sa consignation is 150 to 160
Per piece.
Opo. May mangilan-ngilan na 1 piece per kilo, umabot siya ng 90 per piece.
Wow. So, malaki-laki din pala. So, yan po. At least meron tayong konting input sa ating experiment with Aqualife. And this is in Binmalay for everybody, knowledge, everybody's knowledge. And Binmalay po is the biggest in terms of bangus harvesting and in Pangasinan production. Sir Jerry, especially Sir Jerry is a fisheries graduate, so medyo alam niya po yung yung sinasabi niya pagdating sa isda at saka yung proper care sa mga fishes po natin. At yun po, subukan po nila and ito po yung kanilang results para sa ating Aqualife. So maraming salamat Sir Jerry for trying out Aqualife, guys.
Thank you, Sir Jerry.
From Binmalay, Pangasinan, John Negaswan, CAC Agritech, signing off.
Okay.